My room is making me depressed. The lack of color in my room, it's not good for the mental health. It's literally just white and black, and I come home from my 12-hour shifts and I'm like, oh my god, like I don't even want to be in here. I don't spend any more time in my room anymore because I simply don't love it. I'm a little broke at the moment and I don't have the money to be going and buying a bunch of things. Let's add some color into my room. Let's bring the pink chic baddie look back to my room on a budget. If you've seen this video, my pink bedroom makeover, you know that I had bought a lot of pink stuff at that time. Then if you saw this video, my Stockholm room makeover, I got rid of all the pink. Let's find a mesh between shabby chic, Stockholm baddie, and bring it together. This is what my room currently looks like at the moment. I just don't know what got into me. Like first we were giving brown and then I was getting tired of the brown and then I got black bed sheets, which I do love, and I spent money on them, so I can't get rid of them because they're actually really good quality. Also plain, like I got rid of some furniture and put it in my beauty room, so we're bringing it back because the lack of furniture is just making my room have no soul. The first thing we're gonna work on is the bed. I have this pink blanket from a couple years ago. It's a really soft baby pink and it looks like high quality. I always like to cover my duvet. I have a dog, I'm a little clumsy. I just don't want to ruin my expensive white duvet. I'm gonna change out this blanket and put the pink because we're going for a pink and black cheetah print look. And then you guys see like my photo frames back here. So I love the cheetah one. You guys know how much I love cheetah. The lips one is kind of like, it's not bad, but it's also not giving. I got this one on Shein. It says whatever. It's a little bit of pink in it. I like how this is gonna add more pink to my photo frame. In terms of like the actual satin bed sheets, the pillowing, I'm leaving it. I don't have money right now to buy pink satin bed sheets. Yeah. I do have these cheetah pillow covers that I got from Shein, but this is stunning. It looks so much better than I originally thought it would. I feel like the two go honestly really well together. That way it's not too much. Like we have a little bit more action going on and a little bit more simple. I really love this blanket. I just think I'm maybe gonna repurpose it somewhere else. I already love how the pink is just bringing so much color in already. For my pillows, I like the star pillow. She's cute, but we're gonna remove her. I used to have these really ugly white pillows, and then I got these covers off Shein, which were like $5. So like, moral of the story, don't go buy new pillows. Just take the pillows you originally have and get new pillow covers. Love how these are like a dark cheetah brown, and I'm just going to put them here. It's really feeling like spring today. The birds are chirping, and my room is just making me depressed. And I know we already did some changes, but it's not working. It's not working. And you know what it is? It's my bedding, because I'm trying to find this really nice balance between like baddie dark colors and like feminine pink, because I've been on both sides of the spectrum. I really like my bed sheets, but I honestly think they're just too dark. I'm obviously not trying to spend a lot of money, and I was going back and forth because I had this beautiful duvet last summer, totally pink, Love Shack fancy. I don't know if it will go with my black sheets. It might, because you guys see, like I like this black. I basically want my room to be black, white, pink, and now that I'm putting it up to the black sheets, because the black sheets are really good quality and they're really soft on my skin, I think it might work. You know what I think I'm gonna do, guys? I think I'm gonna give these sheets a wash, put them on my bed, and if I still feel like it doesn't work, then we'll just go to HomeSense and do some shopping. But I think we might have some potential here. Back from HomeSense with my bestie, and I found the most perfect pillow. But here's the problem. So you guys see the kind of duvet I'm putting on my bed. My dream duvet is this one from Urban Outfitters, but I'm really trying not to spend more money. But the pillow that I bought would go perfect with that duvet. Look how beautiful this pillow is. It is like, I guess it's not cheetah, I guess maybe leopard, but it is more of like a gray, black, white tone, which I love. It goes perfectly with my frames. I don't know if it's gonna go with this pink floral bedding, but if I had that one from Urban Outfitters, I know it would look so beautiful with it. So I'm really struggling on what I should do. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking like maybe I just buy the pink duvet, because then it will be perfect. But this pillow is so beautiful. I love it so much. So I'm still gonna put it on, but yeah, I'm just warning you guys. am truly as happy as I could be about the bedding situation. Finding that cheetah pillow blanket at HomeSense was the best thing ever because I feel like I was worried the black wouldn't go with the duvet, but I feel like it really adds that little hint of like chicness, that Pinterest board-esque vibe I was going for. And then I put this like beige blanket, which I already had. I bought for my beauty room, but I think it looks really good in my room. And I just have it there because my dog can be a little crazy, and God forbid she brings dirt or anything into my room. I don't want to staining this duvet because it's a nice duvet, so it's with protection, and she loves it. She's loving it, aren't you, baby boo bear? Mwah. So I'm really happy. Now a couple more things I want to do. So desk area, because it's not my work desk. You guys saw my work desk is in my closet, but for this area it's kind of just a workspace because I do really want to get into sewing. I've always had a passion for it. I know the basics, but I want to get better, and so it's the perfect space to put my sewing machine and whatnot. But I'm already just loving the direction that we're going in. Now we really need to work on this side of the room. So this is where I have my curtains. I used to have a mount table here, but because I moved my vanity to the other room, I got rid of it. But now I'm like, my room just feels so like empty. So we're gonna bring it back, we're gonna decorate it, but we're gonna use it more as a decoration table rather than like an actual vanity. For my desk area, I really tried my best to reduce the clutter. You guys know that this is inside my closet, and I really just don't do well with a lot of clutter. In a dream world, I would repaint all of this. Honestly, it's just not worth it starting another project right now. I have too much things going on. So I bought this nice white mouse pad because I really just want to keep this as clean as possible. I do want to add 2 wall scones of lights to bring in more light because these are all kind of like lamps. But that's $70 that I don't want to spend right now. One thing I do love is this little orb lamp because I can change the color. So usually in the evenings I like to put on maybe like a pink or an orange, and I can increase the brightness. And so it creates a really nice vibe while I edit. It's done. My room is done, which means I'm gonna give you guys a room tour because, hate to break it to you, but it actually looks a lot different than when we last spoke. So it's been like 2 weeks since I last, renovated. Spent a little bit more time because my room was making me so depressed. Now it's my safe space. Some changes I still need to do, but that will be like in the summer because I don't have time right now. So let me give you a room tour. Come on. This is the door. You enter through here. One thing about me, I hate using ceiling lights, always lamps. So we have this lovely lamp here. I have my TV, which if you've seen all my other videos, you know that I can pull it out. Over here, we have my mirror. My mirror is from IKEA. It's hung up on the wall. I also have one in my vanity room, but I've had this one for a long time. I feel like it's just the best place to honestly have it. I don't have much space on this side of the room, so I like to keep it clean and clear. And then we have my pack system, which is really unorganized, but I do just want to show you guys my amazing boyfriend. Okay, Valentine's Day, what just happened. Yeah, and my boyfriend got me Tiffany. You see me wearing my Tiffany. Just know that I have the best boyfriend ever. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. So obviously last time we talked, the bedding was black. We obviously went through a lot of debate about what kind of bedding we're gonna do. I tried. I gave the black sheets, I gave it a week and a half, and it was still making me depressed. So I went on Amazon and I bought like a super cheap $30 pair of white satin sheets. Are they as good quality? No, but you know what? They're really soft. I just have to be careful when I wash them. Like I can't wash them on super high heat. And then I got this white blanket from HomeSense because I didn't have like a nice white blanket I like to cover my bed. But I'm gonna show you the white sheets. Okay, so basically the problem if you don't get a good satin is it snags. So a poor quality satin is going to snag really easily, and the pillow is literally already sagging. It's thin, like, but it is very soft, very slippery. And then I already showed you guys this cheetah pillow, which is amazing. It's so nice, and it actually goes really nicely with the pink floral. Obviously I want that duvet from Urban Outfitters, but like in 3 years I want to move in with my boyfriend. What's the point of getting a pink duvet? Probably won't even want a pink duvet. There's no point in honestly buying it, and plus we'll have a bigger bed. We'll have a king or a queen, so it's like I gotta think about the future. This is my mound desk. It used to be my vanity long time ago. You can't see me, it's because the backlight, so sorry. So it used to be my vanity when I used to do like content creation in my room. Now I have a beauty room because it's, you know, a part-time job for me. So I really want to get into sewing, and if you didn't know, 4 years ago I actually had my own little sewing business. I used to sell makeup bags. Super niche. I love sewing. I'm not that good, but I have a sewing machine, and my grandma gave me her serging machine before she passed, so I really want to utilize this. I have a lot of fabric too, so I'm thinking about having a series on my channel like learning how to sew Pinterest stuff. I feel like that would be fun. So when I got that pink floral duvet last summer, I also had gotten these big huge pillows, but I don't like to have a lot of pillows on my bed. I find it really overstimulating when I go to sleep, but I also wanted to add more pink, so I thought let me still use this and just put it on this little bench, because in this bench is where I keep all my crochet and sewing materials. Pulled out this lamp from last summer. She's super cute. I have my little trinket jar, my iPad case, my candle warmer, and then this is not like aesthetic or anything, but in here is my desk, which I love just chilling in here for hours. It has like mood lighting. It has my Neatos, which if you've never tried Neatos before, these are the best things to ever live on this planet. I have my MacBook, I have my IKEA light, so I just love it. I spend a lot of time here editing videos, playing Sims, doing brand content things. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm actually doing a giveaway on my Instagram right now. Your Beauty sent me 2 of the PR boxes for this month. Oopsies, insane. And so I thought, I don't need both of them. Let me give it to you. So if you want to win a Rare Beauty PR box, feel like an influencer, head over to my Instagram and make sure to comment, participate in all the rules. Check out my TikTok, my Amazon storefront if you want links to anything. And just know that I love you guys. Mwah. Love you.